Hello guys, welcome back to Broken Binary. Today we are gonna set up network attached storage aka NAS for our home server. Before that, NAS is a network shared storage which can be accessed across any device connected to your network. I'm not going in detail on that. So let's start. Oops, not this one. This one. Enough of intro, let's jump over to PC. Open your favorite browser and go to raspberrypi.org. From the software section, download Raspberry Pi Imager. Install and open it in your PC. Now plug in the SD card to your PC. Click on Choose OS. Then Raspberry Pi OS Other. After that, Raspberry Pi OS Lite 32-bit version. Choose Storage. Make sure you select the right storage device. Now let's open the settings. Set hostname. We will use this to access the Pi later on. Enable SSH to remotely access the Pi. Set username and password. Leave other settings as it is. Start writing the image to the SD card. It will take some time depending on your internet and SD card. Take the SD card out and put it in the Pi. Let's connect the external hard disk with Pi. Make sure to connect it on USB 3 port. Connect the Ethernet cable. Plug the USB-C cable to power the Pi. Wait for some time to completely boot up. Get the IP address of the Pi from your router. Now open terminal on your PC. Type SSH space Pi at IP address of the Pi. Execute two commands given on description. Now we will start installing OpenMediaVault. Copy the comments from description and run it. Wait for some time. It will take 20 to 30 minutes depending on your internet. Once it completed, open the browser and navigate to the IP address. The default username is admin and password is OpenMediaVault. Let's configure the dashboard. Here I will choose all. First thing first, always change your default password to a different one. Here goes my super secure password. It's recommended for NAS always use a static IP. Let's set the static IP. From network open interfaces, change DHCP to static on IPv4. Set IP configuration, then save and apply. Log into new IP what you just set. Let's jump over to storage configuration. Here you will get all the physical devices connected to your system. Need to mount the drive in order to use it. Choose the proper device, save and apply. Next step, have to create shared folder. In my case, the drive already have some data in it, so I will choose existing folder. For permission, put everyone read-write access. Save and apply. Now have to enable SMB CIFS from services. Leave all the settings as it is. Now the final step. Create SMB share. Choose the share folder earlier created. Set public to guest only. Leave everything as it is. You can play with other options also. Go to any computer on the same network and connect to network share. Put the address as smb:// your Pi's IP address and then connect as guest. This is the shared folder and I am able to access from my computer over the network. If you learned something new today, hit like, share and subscribe to this video.